All right, so today is the day I've been waiting for a while. I'm going to go ahead and start actually working on this thing. So first thing I'm going to do is actually remove the front clip. So I just kind of want this out of the way when I'm going to pull the motor and all that stuff. But that's my goal just for the day. See if I can get the front clip off. May have to get my wife out here to help me when it comes to actually lifting it off, but let me move you guys somewhere else, maybe a little closer so you can see. And then we'll go from there. Welcome back, by the way. If you did return from a different video, I appreciate it. Now that you guys are moved in a better location, let's see what I gotta do here, because I never done this. So I would imagine, so these two bolts hold this reinforcement on. I can see. Looks like there may be some, there's a crossbar here. Let me get the flashlight. Can't see anything. Just my old eyeballs. Can't see nothing. There is a crossbar or some kind of support there. So if I take that out, fender bolts obviously, and then don't put another dent in the door. There's a fender bolt. There's a couple more. I don't know, we'll figure it out. It ends right there. So I'm just gonna start with the fender bolts. They all look like they're probably 8mm. So let's get an 8mm. That damn spider. Good Lord. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna run out of bug spray pretty soon. Hey, toolbox is unlocked. That's great. 8mm. Use air ratchet. Not air ratchet, come on. Electric ratchet. And then the electric impact. Get me a tool stand ready to go. That there. Alrighty, so let's see if these are gonna break. Not so far. That one definitely wanted to break. Well, now it's stuck in my socket. There we go. Okay. Let me Ziploc bag hardware. Actually, a Ziploc bag with a label. That's the way to go. Alrighty, so let's get these fender bolts out. But instead of using this ratchet, which is kind of slow, I'm gonna use this impact. And hope none of these bolts break. So far so good. That one's gonna break. far so good. Got one over there that's wanting to break, which means I'm probably gonna break it. That one's good. That one's good. All right. Let's see. Well, this is probably pretty dumb. Maybe we can. Oh yeah, that's gonna break. I know that's probably just a clip in there, so it's probably not a huge deal if it breaks, but I would still like to avoid it. At this point, it's probably inevitable, but maybe I should grab this 1/2-inch impact. Probably shouldn't do that. All right, twist this off by hand because I don't have any spray, I don't think. Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna break. I mean, I could heat it, and I don't really know why I care so much about it breaking, because I just don't want to deal with that. Let me get some. Do I have any wool? Oh, sure do. I know this looks like a syringe. This is actually for what my other channel's about. You guys, you've been at BGR videos, right? I could say what that channel's about, but no, I can't. All right. Now that that's been lubed a little bit. Oh, that's so bad. Oh. I can't tell if it's getting easier or if it's just twisting off. You gotta be kidding me. I could have swore. Cross-threaded. Well, at least I know the fenders have been off. All right, so let me disconnect. Oh, the battery's already disconnected. That's a mouse nest under the battery. That's cool. That's awesome. And we're back. Note to self, fiberglass in the forearms is wildly uncomfortable. Just just a little warning for everybody out there. Don't lean on your fiberglass bumper with your bare arms, because it's going to make your morning kind of terrible. All right, so I'm going to put this microphone somewhere where it's not just listening to me breathe. So how about right there on the intake manifold? I guarantee, I mean, this is a pretty good mic. I don't know if you guys have noticed, the audio is actually pretty good. Too good, actually, because you can hear me breathe a lot. Maybe if it's farther away from me. A little bit. And let's get this